for business ideas that, one, do not require any money to start, two, do not require you to have any qualifications, and three, do not need you to have any experience, then this is the place that you need to be, because I'm going to be sharing with you 5 unconventional business ideas, which honestly I'm shocked people have not thought of. So we're going to be going through them, and for some of them I do have examples of people who actually have these businesses that you can actually learn from how they started and their story and so on, so that you can get started as well. The first business idea that I have for you is to start a rental arbitrage business. Basically, you are going to be hosting Airbnbs without owning property. Now, how this works is you're actually going to be the one communicating with the property owners so that you can host people, so that people can actually be coming and staying at these places. It's going to be up to you whether you're going to use the furniture that you buy, or you're actually going to find property owners that already have furniture. Now, obviously, because I said that you are not going to be using any money, it means that you're going to have to look for fully furnished apartments that you can actually, speak to the property owner about actually getting it up on Airbnb and using it rather as an Airbnb while they're still looking for people who can rent there. The one person that I would strongly suggest that you actually learn all of this from is Lady Q. She is on YouTube, but mostly you will find a lot of information about her on TikTok and on Instagram. I'll suggest that you actually go and you check her out. She teaches in her masterclasses how to actually get started with your rental arbitrage. So if this is something that you're actually interested in, then I would strongly suggest that you actually go and you check her out. She's going to be very helpful for you in actually getting started. I did actually pay for her masterclass and I took it. I have the information. I'm just waiting to start because at the moment I have my hands full, to be very honest. But for you, this is an amazing idea that you can actually get started with, because now you don't even need to have property to get started. Number 2 is to start a copywriting business, but specifically for content creators, rather for YouTubers. Basically, what you're going to do is you are going to be working with YouTubers by actually being the one that runs their blog. The reason why you'd actually be, telling them about this blog is that they're going to be using it as a way to attract an audience onto their YouTube channel. As you know, it's kind of hard to actually get views on YouTube, like especially when you're starting off. So having a blog is one of the ways that you can actually get people to, get more traffic onto your YouTube channel. So you would actually be telling them that you're going to be writing the blog for them. Basically, you take their YouTube video and you transcribe it, make it into a blog, and then you actually send people to the YouTube channel so they can actually go and watch the video. In terms of how to actually get traffic onto the blog itself, you can then use Pinterest to get people to click on an image or a graphic that you would have created, which is going to send them to the blog, and the blog is going to send them to the YouTube channel. So can you see, it's a way of making sure that you're actually going to be helping this person, this YouTuber, build their YouTube and get more eyes on their content. So if this is something that you're actually interested in, there's a lady that I know, Alex, I forgot her surname. She is on YouTube. She teaches you everything that you need to know about copywriting. It's very important that you actually learn about it. Here's the thing. It's going to take you some time to actually figure out the whole copywriting thing, but once you do, you actually can start making money from doing this. You're going to contact YouTubers and you actually pitch this idea to them. But I'll strongly suggest that you actually get started. If you're interested in, writing, then make sure that you actually go and you do this. Business idea number 3 is a YouTube thumbnail creator. Okay, there's a bit of, similarity. A lot of the stuff that I'm talking about is related to content creation and whatnot, but all I'm saying is with a YouTube thumbnail creator, they are going to be the ones, you're basically going to be the one who is creating thumbnails for YouTubers. Let me tell you now, creating a thumbnail takes quite some time, okay? And for anyone who has built their audience and has built their channel to a certain point, it is kind of tedious to have to also create their YouTube thumbnails on top of everything else that they do, because they must probably be the ones in charge of their video editing as well. The way that you're actually going to be getting these YouTubers who come to you to create their YouTube thumbnail, it's going to be you marketing convenience. You're trying to get them to see that it is more convenient for them to actually have someone do their thumbnails for them, and you're going to be making sure that the thumbnails are as effective as possible in getting people to actually click on their videos. The number one way that you can actually get started with actually creating creating YouTube thumbnails is by going onto Canva. Figure out how to actually start creating thumbnails on Canva. I had to figure my way out through Canva. Honestly, I am so glad that we have Canva because I have no graphic design skills whatsoever. So it was a struggle to actually figure out how to do all of that. But all I'm saying is find someone who would actually be interested in that. Please note, I am not interested in it at the moment. Do not come and pitch to me, okay? So find people that are interested in that. I would strongly suggest that you look for YouTubers who have gone past at least 50K when it comes to their subscribers. That way, you know that this person is actually making an income from their YouTube channel, so they can invest in getting a YouTube thumbnail creator to actually, you know, make sure that their YouTube thumbnails are on point and to make sure that they can actually get more views on their videos. Because something that you need to know about YouTube is that what actually gets people to click on the video is, number one, the YouTube thumbnail. Then secondly, it is the YouTube title. So you see the importance of having a proper thumbnail. So make sure that you actually then market it as convenient, as, you know, something that's going to make life easier for them so that they don't burn themselves out while they're trying to wear so many different caps. That's how you're going to actually get them to become your client. Business idea number 4 is to start an online education business. Now, what is an online education business? Basically, what you do is you figure out what you're interested in and you start teaching people whatever it is that you are interested in. It's currently what I'm working on. I'm currently building an education business, but I feel like I'm not the best example of how to actually go about it. What I would suggest that you do is actually check out Ali Abdal. He has a productivity business, and so you can see what he's offering and so on, so I can see how you can also start, you know, making money in that business. But all you need to know is that you do need to actually build your audience. You need to be a content creator in order to build your audience and get people who would be interested in buying whatever education that you are offering to them. So make sure that you figure out whatever it is that you're interested in. Are you interested in knitting? You're going to teach people how they can actually start knitting as well. Are you interested in, like me, marketing, and you're going to be teaching people how to market their businesses? Find something that you have an interest in and share it with people. As time goes on, it becomes easier for you to actually create some type of offer that's going to help you with actually making money in that type of business. I strongly suggest that you start out with TikTok and YouTube. Once you start out with those, you can obviously like expand and build and get into many other platforms, but it's a good way to actually get started. Business idea number 5 is to start a drop servicing business. If you do want to know how to actually get started and what you need to do in order to actually start this business, I'll suggest that you actually go onto his YouTube channel and you can learn a lot from him. Those are ways that you can actually start making, you know, money without necessarily having any type of skill or any experience doing whatever it is that you're offering to people. My little brother, who is 15 years old, is currently starting this business. So he finds clients that need website development and actually then connects them with website developers that need clients. So it's a win-win. You then take the profit between the two, and that's your business. That's you making money. Figure out what service you actually want to be offering. What it is that you decide on. You just know that you are going to be the middleman between the client and the service provider, and you make your money that way. Please let me know in the comments which of these business ideas you're most interested in. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's very short, it's very simple, it's straightforward. That was the whole aim of it, so that you actually get the business ideas that can help you start making money online as soon as possible without having to actually have money when it comes to actually getting started. Now, if you now want to know how to then market your business on social media, I have a video specifically on that. Because as soon as you start your business, the number one thing that you're going to be struggling with is then getting clients. The only way to get clients is when you market your business in some type of way. People cannot come to you if they don't know that you exist. So if you want to learn how to then market your business on social media or online, then I have a video that I want you to watch right after this one. I will see you there.